What's up, y'all? I'm about to take this Minibike for a drive, but before I go do that, I'll give you the update on this Minibike. I put the 120 jet and I think the 48 pilot, and it's running real good. So I'm gonna let y'all hear it, and we're going for a drive. I almost got hit by this truck. My hat flew off and I almost got hit by this truck. I didn't even see him behind me. Well, like, I got the 120 jet and the 48 pilot on this thing. And it's running good. I'm going to rebuild my VM22 carburetor. I'm going to rebuild that, and we're going to see how it goes. But right now, it's running pretty good. And plus, I got another surprise for my next video. I'm supposed to go pick it up today, so. But this one here still got a lot of work to be done to it. I gotta put the flywheel, new flywheel, 265 cam, 22-pound springs. I might change the